it. I know I did. Like it goes far up. It goes so far up. We need to stay away from that thing.
Oh my God, that's a tornado.
Yeah, we need to keep going. Does that
Get the
even?
mail then?
No, don't put the mail. This is too close for comfort already. We need to go. Maybe we should call in the tornado right off of Indrio Road.